Hey everyone, thank you for watching this. So in this video, I will create a new server in which I will install fresh OS. So this is basically clean installation on a new server. So I'm gonna make a new machine. So let me show you here. So basically, I'm using this Workstation Pro, VMware Workstation Pro, right? So in which I'm creating this server, right? So let me create a new virtual machine. So let me create next with a default option, and then let me select my ISO where I kept my ISO. So this is my new ISO for 2012 R2. So I'm just selecting it, and then let me click on OK. I mean open, and then let me go to next. Yep. So here I'll give my VM name, which is Brush DC1, and now I'm going to select where exactly I'm going to keep this machine. So I'll keep it in my new in D drive. Under D drive, there's a folder my VMs, and in the VMs, I have already created one folder for this machine. So it is VM. Here I'm going and I'm selecting this one, right? So all the files they will get saved under this folder. So like VMX, VMDK, all this file will get saved. So let me click OK, and let me go to next, and maximum size disk space I'll give 60 gig. So I'll leave it as it is. This is recommended size. So I have given this, and I'll select this option, split virtual disk into multiple files. So I'm going to click on next, and then it will ask me to review all the details which I've already mentioned, like name of the machine, then location, where exactly the VMs will get saved, and then version of this, and then operating system. So I'm using 2012 R2 here. So it's showing operating system 2012. So hard disk size 60 gig, and the memory is 2 GB. And network adapter, I'm using NAT, and other devices these. So I'm going to click on finish. So yeah, it will take a couple of minutes. So my machine has started booting. Excuse me. Yep. So now I'm gonna click language English in US. So I'm gonna click on next. So I'll click on install now. Guys, this is my fresh installation. So this was a new box which I created, and then I selected my uh, select the ISO, and from that ISO I'm just installing the OS. Okay, so now it is asking me like which operating system I needed. So from here I can either select server core, or I can select GUI, because I'm just going to create this server as GUI, which is graphical user interface. So I'm going to select it, and then let me click on next. So yes, I accept this agreement, and then I'm going to click on next. Okay, so here, suppose if this machine already has 2012, so, and I want to upgrade it to 2016 or something like that, right? So in those cases, I can select this one, upgrade, but this is my new server, so I'm going to click on custom. So this analog. So this is my only one drive. So suppose here you can give the size, like suppose this is the disk is of 300 gig. So here you can create a logical drive, like you can create a new drive from here, and then based on the size which you want to give, you can logically divide the size here, that you can create CD, I mean all the stuff from here as well. So anyway, but for now I just need this much space, so let me go with the default. Let me click on next. So it started installation, right? So it will take some time to get installed. To the time, maybe I can do one thing. I can pause my video, and once it will be back, then I will come back. So yeah. So yeah, 37% is completed. So it will take some time, and you can see here that computer will get restart several times while this installation is happening. So yeah, it will get reboot couple of times during this installation. All right, so let me pause it again. Yep, 93% is completed. So it's getting files ready for installation. Yep. So it has been installed, and now it will get reboot. So yeah, it rebooted a couple of times, and now I got the screen where it is asking me to put the password for administrator. So let me put one here. Okay. Yep. So let me log into the server now with the credentials which I've set. So yeah, my server is ready now. So I've installed the OS successfully now. You can see here, this is my C drive, and this is the ISO which I mapped. So let me remove this ISO. I can simply go to the settings here, and I can just remove it from here, or I can do one thing because yeah, I can do one thing. I can either disconnect it from here, or I can simply eject this file from here. So let me eject this. Yep. So I have removed the ISO. Okay. So my server is ready. Thank you for watching this.